Hey everybody, welcome to Sedona Week, all this week with your pal, the PourMan. Whether you get here by car, plane, or alien spaceship, you don't want to miss it. Every morning at 8 a.m. Pacific, a brand new adventure in craft cocktails and fine cuisine. Oh yeah, and fun. Did I mention cocktails? So, join me for Sedona Week, all this week with your pal, the PourMan. Hey everybody, PourMan here, and I got a treat for you. We are in Sedona, Creekside Inn. Actually, it's called the Creekside American Bistro. And tonight, you are gonna love this. Before we get too far along though, be sure to reach down and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new adventures. Come on inside, let's go. This is inside of the Creekside American Bistro. And my boy Mercer, Chef Mercer here, is going to tell us a little story. Mercer?
Well, you were asking about the Absinthe Tower today. And Absinthe has been a signature drink here for longer than I've been here, 12, 15 years. And Absinthe was made back in the 1700s, made famous by Van Gogh. Van Gogh cut off his ear while he was drinking absinthe. And in the late 50s, they made it illegal here in the United States because they thought wormwood was some sort of a hallucinogenic. And in the 70s, they lobbied to get absinthe legalized again. So now in the United States, you can't even get absinthe without wormwood. So you're going to hear people question that and say, no, you can't have it in the United States. Baloney. It's been legal here since 2007. We get the same absinthe here as you get in France or Italy or any place you go. It's a licorice flavored liqueur, very much like ouzo, and when you add ice water to it, it gets a little milky color. It's 140 proof, so you really want to dilute it at least 4 to 1 to make it good. But the best part, when he finishes here, if it's too strong, you just put it back under. You have the technology. This is just ice water in the top of the tower, absinthe tower. So go ahead.
Well, if I had Pablo make us a couple, will you share one with me?
Sure.
Sounds like a deal to me.
This is a perfect after dinner drink. A lot of times my wife and I will go out, we'll stop in here on the way home. And if there's a nice couple sitting next to us, we'll order this. And it's more for the show. Honestly, I'm not a big sweet licoricey guy, but most women are.
Well, that's good.
So it's always appreciated one way or the other, whether it's the show, whether it's the flavor.
Well, I love a good show, and so do they. So
you're out of Las Vegas. Las Vegas has absinthe bars that you can actually go to.
We have an absinthe show too. Well, we haven't been there yet, but that's a story for another time.
You want to walk us through this?
So yeah, Pablo, you got a minute to do some absinthe?
Absolutely. All we just have is a sugar cube on top here. We're going to pour the absinthe.
Love it.
Pour the absinthe on top, and then we're going to give it a little fire, and then you'll see the show.
Oh, that is cool.
So when you buy the absinthe tower, those little spoons come with it.
Really?
And they actually have specific absinthe glasses, but they're very much like these.
Oh, that's cool.
Anytime we can avoid having another glass at the bar, we do. So we use the brandy sniffers.
Oh, that is so great. Now, do I eat the fiery cube, or is that only after 5 absinthe?
No. The fire caramelizes the sugar and adds a little flavor to the absinthe.
Cool.
Purists will say don't ever light it on fire because you burn off the alcohol. Trust me, they're not burning off much alcohol at all.
I'm sure.
It's plenty potent enough, and I think it really does give it a little caramel flavor.
I love it. Well, you would know. That's cool. All right, so Pablo, now
we're going to wait till the flame dissipates here a little bit until it goes out, and then we're going to slowly drip the water on top of it.
Yeah, because it would light my face on fire, and we really don't need that.
Depends on how much of an exciting night you're looking at.
Well, it really lit his face on fire.
So here's I'll get this one over here.
Okay.
Go over there.
As the water drips over the sugar,
Uh-huh. I Oh, look at that.
It's going to dissolve that
Sugar cube,
So you just
okay.
want to move it around a little bit until it's all dissolved. And like I said, see how clear it is right now?
Uh-huh.
This will be milky white when it's done.
Kinda cool.
And you really want to look at it because it needs to be at least 4 or 5 to 1 to make it good. Otherwise, it's just too strong.
Okay.
I see people come in here and do a shot of this stuff. They're crazy.
Ah, well, 140 proof. Gotta love that.
It's like doing a shot of Everclear moonshine. You just don't do it.
I'm sorry for interrupting. What is that?
Absinthe.
Absinthe? Oh.
Yeah.
That's a lot of water. Never tried. Okay.
It looks like we're moving right along here. And you said when you
see
buy
it.
this drink, it actually comes with the spoons.
No, if you buy it from a store or
Uh-huh.
online or Amazon or wherever you get it, yeah.
Gotcha.
So you can see the cube is just
Just about there.
but it really has to get a little milky white. You really want to make sure. And at any time you can taste it, and if it's too strong, just put it back under there. It's just ice water.
Right. Yeah. Well, thanks for joining me for one of these.
No problem.
This is my first, so be gentle.
Like I said, I think it's more about the show for guys, but I noticed women actually like that flavor for the most part. I know it's a generalization, but
Well,
That was very famous in,
just dunk it in there.
in France back in the days, right?
just stir that in and let that ice water drip in there. I'll speed it up a little bit for the
There we go.
show. See, now that little white goop you see in there, they call that the luge.
The luge.
See how it's turning white now?
Yes, I do.
So
Mine's not turning white yet,
It will.
so I'm a little slower.
Oh,
than
yours
you.
started turning too.
Yeah, a little bit finally. I don't have the luge as good though, but we're getting there. Yeah,
I'd say
starting to get a
that's
little.
about right. And like
Am
I
I,
said,
am
the
I
other
right?
way-
Am I,
Yeah,
oh,
you're good.
Okay.
Now
I'm
the
good.
trick-
Did you hear that? I'm good.
taste it and make sure it's not.
Take that spoon for you.
Yeah, I'll probably swallow it. Hey. Sláinte.
Nostrovia.
Right here. Absinthe. At the Creekside American Bistro.
Cheers. Good stuff.
And I'm not really even a licorice guy. Not much of a recipe, but go ahead to PourManmike.com anyway, because there's a lot of good stuff there in addition to the recipe. And if you push this button right over here, you'll instantly become a Pour Minion, which gets you ahead of the line speed pass for each and every new PourMan episode, as well as some other cool stuff. So, till next time, pour well, pour often, PourMan. We'll see you next time.